On arrival at the site, the driver makes contact with the site management and presents his NPORS licence and method statement. He will confirm with the site management where the loading is to take place, checking the suitability of the ground and for overhead obstructions. Concerns with these and any other hazards will be raised with the site management for action. The driver then positions the vehicle using a banksman if any reversing is required. All personnel will be advised to keep clear of the loading area and, if necessary, cones will be used to mark out the area. The driver will refer to his driver's manual to check the correct loading procedure if required. Before any loading takes place, the driver inspects the condition of the lorry bed and removes any trip hazards, also ensuring that all securing eyes are recessed. In icy conditions, grits must be spread to avoid slippery surfaces. Access and egress of the lorry bed must be gained by using the designated access point and handrail. The driver will now set up the vehicle to complete the loading procedure. First, the ramps are lowered to the ground, followed by locking the support legs in position. The air suspension can then also be lowered if required. Prior to being moved, the driver must ensure that the brakes, steering and flashing beacon are all functioning correctly and that it's in a generally safe condition. Any broken down equipment will be reported to the depot and an engineer dispatched if required. All damage is identified on the collection sheet and signed by the customer. The equipment is then manoeuvred to line up with the base of the ramps. The driver will then dismount the machine and visually check that the ramps are set to the correct width and that the machine's wheels are aligned with the ramps and the lorry bed. Once confirmed, the driver will remount the machine and begin the process of loading the machine, being sure to keep it straight and in line with the ramps. Once the machine is in a suitable position on the bed, the parking brake is applied and the engine switched off before the driver dismounts. The machine is then tied down to the bed of the trailer using appropriate securing chains. The driver will finally check the height of the load with a measuring pole and set this measurement in the height indicator in the cab. The loading operation is now complete and the driver can exit the site.